Hello guys, I hope you're doing well. So we return again how to change the language of your the currency that you earn from YouTube and the language and a lot of stuff. Let's see. We go here to settings. Now you see it is on USA dollar. I will let it in this way because I want to get paid by USA dollars. Now this is the channel. Okay, it is located in the United States of America. Now like you see, and this is the upload default. You can write here describe to the channel what the channel talking about. It is help you to get more information to your viewers, okay, and permission, okay, in this easy way. Now you can add the mediator, okay, who can help you in this. Like for me, maybe I will add someone that I know it, okay. This is the promotion, okay. This is how to you link your channel with the Google AdSense account, okay, because if you want to get paid you must do these steps, okay. Now this is the agreement. Now it is still a new channel. After a while we're gonna show you how you will do it. For me and the channel here language, you can change it for any country that you want: Switzerland, Algeria, Vietnam, Western Sahara, I don't know, anything that you want it, okay. Pretty much that's it. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to give you anything new in the web technology or the web information. Absolutely, you are welcome again to see the other videos and you benefit yourself. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I see you in the next video. Cheers and goodbye.